What is LAMBDA? LAMBDA is a special piece of math access software for visually impaired students. It is based on a linear code and includes an editor to view, write, and manipulate mathematical text. The code, DDMATH code, being a direct derivation of MathML, has been adapted to the optimal use in the form of Braille and synthetic speech. The LAMBDA editor, which is opening now, allows the linear writing, reading, and manipulating of mathematical expressions, certainly in a linear way, which is the only possible access via a Braille display, as characters are detected one by one in a linear sequence. However, it also offers a series of compensatory functions which we can find here in the menu. They are meant to facilitate the insertion, to invert fractions, to duplicate, to facilitate the manipulation of mathematics using the computer. Mathematics, and here we can see it in a traditional graphic format, has a two-dimensional structure. Therefore, linear access can be a bit more cumbersome, but it is the only one we can offer. The LAMBDA system is intended for students from lower secondary school to upper secondary school, and even university, and requires minimal computer skills. Although LAMBDA2 is intended for the blind, its interface must also be usable by those who do not know Braille, but at least can see the text both on the screen and the printed pages. From the didactic point of view, this is fundamental because the contribution that the teacher makes consists not only in evaluating and examining the final work, but also following the entire teaching process. To allow this, LAMBDA shows a video text not only in a traditional graphic format, but also in the linear format. With the linear format, it is easy to understand which mathematical elements are being referred to. Special symbols have also been designed to reflect the Braille characters that the student reads on a Braille display and that have to be introduced. For example, in this case, it is the symbol for the closure of a root with terminologies that are not immediately present in the conventional representation, but which are necessary to explain so as to understand better a true ambiguity, in this case related to the root.